Students, today I give a short talk on Kamla Das as a writer. Kamla Das, whose original name was Madhavi Kuti, is one of the famous Indian poets of the contemporary times. She was born in Punnayarkalam on 31st March 1934 and grew in her native village in the district of Thrissur, Kerala. Her mother tongue is Malayalam. She comes from a royal family, not from the middle class educated family. The family was highly rigid and tradition bound. On the contrary, Madhavi Kuti was intolerant of the religious atmosphere of the house, especially in the matters of love and sex. Her mother was Nalpat Balamani Amma, was a renowned poet, and her father M.V. Nair was the famous editor of the famous magazine Matrabhumi. When her father got the appointment in a Walford transport company which sold Bentley and Rolls-Royce automobiles in Calcutta, she accompanied her father, and there she had her primary and secondary education in a missionary school. Thereby she came under the influence of the English language and the Western culture and Christianity, which is contrary to her strict Hindu background. She learned English up to a certain standard, but she didn't go to college or university, as she got married at the age of 15 to a bank officer named Madhav Das, who shifted his family to Mumbai. There she began to write columns, stories and poems. She came under the influence of her uncle, Nalpat Narayan Menon, another prominent writer. She published 4 collections of stories: A Doll for the Child Prostitute and Other Stories, 1977, Padmavati the Harlot and Other Stories, Sandal Trees and Other Stories, 1995, Kept Woman and Other Stories, 1910. Her novels are Alphabet of Lust and Daughter of Immorality, 1985. She published several collections of poetry: The Serenes, 1964, Summer in Calcutta, 1965, The Descendants in 1967, The Old Playhouse and Other Poems in 1973, Tonight This Savage Right, 1979, Collected Poems, 1984, The Annamalai Poems in 1985, The Soul Knows How to Sing, 1997, My Mother at 66, 1999, and Ya Allah, 2001. By her first husband, she had 3 sons, M.D. Nalpat, Chinnan Das, and Jayasurya. For her great literary contributions, she became the chairperson of the Kerala Sahitya Academy. She was the poetry editor of the Illustrated Weekly of India. A critic called her as the mother of modern Indian English poetry. She widely traveled in England, Germany, Middle East countries, Jamaica, delivering lectures on poetry and the religion of Islam. She was given honorary doctorate from the University of Calicut, and she got a Mututtu Verki Award. She also got Kendra Sahitya Academy Award for her literary contribution. At the age of 65, she got married to Mr. Sadiq Ali, a Muslim MP, and changed her name Kamla Suraya Das. She is willingly converted to Islam, it appears, and her conversion was objected by the Hindu organizations. She adopted 2 blind Muslim children whom she grew, educated, and they got them settled, one as a professor and other as a barrister in London. She also involved in politics by launching a party, Lok Seva Party, and stood for the elections and got defeated. At the age of 42, she wrote a famous autobiography, My Story, originally Antekata, in which she revealed her suffering of her married life and extramarital relationship. Also, she wrote a memoir, The Childhood in Malabar, 2000. She published nearly 50 books in her lifetime, including the ones which she wrote in Malayalam. At the age of 75, she died in the hospital in Pune and buried in Juma Masjid, Tiruvananthapuram, with all state honor on 31st May 2009. Her stories about women, children, beggars, prostitutes are very interesting. Her poetry is full of vivid images and metaphors. It pervades with the emotional intensity, revealing the inner tumult, anxiety, loneliness, longing for love and sex, frustration in the mind of the female psyche. She is the first Indian English poetess who wrote explicitly about love and sex in her poetry. Her novels dealing with sexual harmony and extramarital relationship are obliquely the parts of her life story. On her life and works, I published a book under the title Kamala Suraya Das, and Merrily Weisbord, The Love Queen of Malabar, in 2012. And Muhammad Elias has written the first book on the works of Kamala Das. As a writer, she is one of her kind, with intensity of emotion, vivid imagery and expression of her feelings and emotions and thoughts in her colloquial or narrative kind of poetry, not to be compared with any poetess in the history of Indian English writing.